The Kreg 90 Degrees Pocket-Hole Driver is a versatile woodworking tool designed for driving screws in tight spaces and at odd angles. Compatible with all Kreg Pocket-Hole screws and bits, as well as other hex shank bits, it turns any drill into a 90-degree driver. The compact design facilitates use in confined areas, and the included 3 inches square drive bit with a magnetic tip ensures a secure grip on pocket-hole screws. Additionally, it is impact rated, allowing efficient use with impact drivers. This tool enhances the versatility of your drill, making it an ideal choice for various woodworking applications, from installing hardware in tight spaces to driving screws at unconventional angles. Kreg multi-purpose project blocks prove to be versatile woodworking tools suitable for tasks such as sanding, finishing, routing, and clamping. Constructed from durable plastic, these blocks boast a hexagonal shape to prevent rolling and a GripMax trademark surface for enhanced stability, capable of supporting up to 200 pounds. The block's elevation facilitates tasks like sanding and routing, ensuring stability and preventing slippage. Moreover, they offer a convenient solution for clamping workpieces securely. The portable nature of these blocks allows for usage in various locations. The Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig 520 Pro stands out as a versatile and user-friendly tool for woodworking projects. Notable features include a 360 degrees rotating handle, simplifying the clamping and adjustment process, and a steel-reinforced spine ensuring long-lasting durability. The jig accommodates materials ranging from 1/2 inches to 1.5 inches thick, showcasing its versatility. Setting up and using the jig is effortless thanks to its intuitive design and clear markings. With a commitment to accuracy, the jig drills precise and consistent pocket holes, making it an ideal choice for projects that demand precision. The inclusion of a 51 mm Kreg quick clamp and 100 Kreg pocket-hole screws enhances the tool's overall utility. The Kreg Quick-Flip is a versatile and user-friendly tool designed for the seamless use of Kreg screws in creating strong and straightforward joints. Featuring a double-ended insert in a quick-release housing, one end is equipped with a drill bit for a precise pilot hole for Kreg screws and a cutter for a flat-bottomed counterbore accommodating the screw head. On the opposite end, a 2 square drive bit is tailored for optimal use with Kreg screws. The tool's benefits include ease of use, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. Its versatility extends to various joint types, such as pocket hole joints, face-joining corners, and attaching false fronts to drawers. Crafted from high-quality materials, the Kreg Quick-Flip ensures durability, making it a reliable and lasting addition to your woodworking toolkit. The Kreg inline clamp stands out as a versatile and potent clamping tool suitable for a range of woodworking applications. With the capacity to apply up to 250 pounds of clamping force, it excels in tasks like edge gluing, face framing, cabinet assembly, and securing workpieces for drilling and cutting. Noteworthy benefits include its robust clamping power, low-profile design for efficient use in tight spaces, and a swivel head enabling clamping from any angle. Key features of the clamp include a contoured, easy-to-grip dial for precise pressure application, a low-profile climb shoe that stays unobtrusive during work, a climb shoe design securing various workpiece shapes, and a 3/4 inches peg, compatible with workbenches or surfaces with 3/4 diameter holes. Overall, the Kreg inline clamp proves to be an indispensable and adaptable tool for woodworkers of all skill levels. The Kreg panel carrier is an indispensable tool for solo transportation of full-size sheets of plywood, drywall, and similar materials. With its unique clamping mechanism that automatically adjusts to the material's thickness, it ensures a secure grip without causing damage to the surface. The ergonomic handle, padded for comfort, mitigates fatigue, even when carrying loads of up to 100 pounds. This tool proves highly beneficial by eliminating the need for a second person, reducing strain and fatigue, and safeguarding materials from potential damage during transport. Whether carrying sheets through doorways, cutting them to size, or loading onto a sawhorse or workbench, the Kreg panel carrier is a valuable asset for DIYers and woodworkers alike. The Kreg KSC16 Auto Adjust Bar Clamp stands out as a versatile and user-friendly tool for various woodworking applications. Its distinctive auto-adjusting mechanism adapts seamlessly to the thickness of the material being clamped, ensuring a secure and uniform clamping force. The extra-large clamp faces play a crucial role in spreading clamping pressure evenly, safeguarding the workpiece from potential damage. Crafted from durable all-metal components, this clamp guarantees longevity, while its ergonomic padded grips contribute to a comfortable user experience, preventing hand fatigue. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist woodworker, the Kreg KSC16 Auto Adjust Bar Clamp proves to be an excellent choice for your clamping needs. The Kreg Drilling Guide stands out as a versatile woodworking tool, streamlining the process of creating precise and straight holes for pocket-hole joinery and various woodworking projects. Its 6 hardened steel drill guides, accommodating a spectrum of screw sizes, ensure uniform and accurate hole placement. Equipped with GripMax anti-slip surfaces and an ergonomic design, the tool enhances stability during drilling while providing comfort and control. The self-centering feature automatically centers on the edges of 1/2 inches and 3/4 inches boards, simplifying the creation of perpendicular and centered holes. With applications ranging from pocket-hole joinery to face-to-face and edge-to-edge joints, the Kreg Drilling Guide offers versatility and durability in woodworking tasks. The Kreg Portable Crosscut is a highly versatile circular saw guide designed for precise 90 degrees and 45 degrees cuts in boards up to 8 inches wide. With retractable cut line indicators, it eliminates the need for blade offset measuring and guesswork, ensuring confidence in every cut. The saw support ledge provides a stable base for accurate cuts, and GripMax pads firmly hold the guide in place, preventing slipping. Compatible with both left and right blade circular saws, this guide accommodates various tools. Its ability to cut boards up to 8 inches wide makes it a versatile and reliable choice for woodworking projects, suitable for DIYers, hobbyists, and professionals. The Kreg 90 Degrees Corner Clamp is a versatile woodworking tool designed for assembling boxes, drawers, cabinets, and cases with precision. Utilizing Kreg Automax, registered trademark auto-adjusting technology, this clamp ensures optimal pressure on joints regardless of material thickness. The V-wedge jaws securely grip mating pieces at precise 90-degree angles, while edge stops aid in aligning edges for accurate assembly. Padded handles enhance user comfort during extended use. Whether you're a DIYer or a professional woodworker, the Kreg 90 Degree Corner Clamp is a reliable solution for creating strong and tight-fitting assemblies and streamlining your woodworking projects. The Kreg Deck Jig is a specialized woodworking tool designed for drilling concealed pilot holes and driving screws into deck boards, providing a polished finish with no exposed screws. Its key features, including hardened steel drill guides, a stepped drill bit, a stop collar, and spacer rings, contribute to precise and professional results. The drill guides maintain correct angles and depths, while the stepped drill bit creates pocket holes perfectly suited for Kreg deck screws. The stop collar prevents overdrilling, and spacer rings ensure proper spacing for optimal drainage. The benefits of using the Kreg Deck Jig include concealed fasteners for a sleek appearance, stronger joints compared to face-screwed joints, and ease of installation, making it an invaluable tool for achieving both aesthetic and structural excellence in deck construction. The Kreg Straight Edge Guide is a highly versatile woodworking tool designed for precision cuts in sheet goods using a circular saw, jigsaw, or trim router. Its aluminum guide rail ensures straight cuts, providing accuracy even on lengthy pieces of material. The GripMax clamp securely attaches the guide to the material, preventing slippage during operation. With cut line indicators, aligning cuts becomes straightforward and adjustments cater to different saws and routers. Offering a 4-foot cutting capacity, the guide allows for rip cuts up to this length. Compatible with most brands of saws and routers, the Kreg Straight Edge Guide is user-friendly, ensuring ease of use and accurate results in various woodworking applications. The Kreg Jig R3 stands out as a versatile pocket-hole jig, catering to a range of woodworking projects. Its user-friendly guide system ensures precise hole placement, promoting accuracy in drilling pocket holes within wood. The built-in depth stop prevents over-drilling, and the adjustable guide accommodates various drill bit types, enhancing flexibility in usage. The inclusion of a stepped drill bit and pocket hole screws further contributes to its comprehensive functionality. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced woodworker, the Kreg Jig R3 offers an accessible and efficient solution for creating strong and reliable joints without the need for complex tools or extensive skills. Its benefits encompass the creation of durable joints, ease of use and setup, and versatility across diverse projects, all at an affordable cost. The Kreg Precision Trak and Stop system is an indispensable tool for woodworkers seeking precision and repeatability in their cuts. Compatible with miter saws, radial arm saws, and drill presses, this system includes durable anodized aluminum track sections, self-adhesive tapes for secure attachment, a convenient swing stop for quick cuts, and a robust production stop for high-volume cutting. The versatility of the system extends to its adaptability to different surfaces such as wood, metal, and plastic. Whether a woodworker needs swift and accurate cuts with the swing stop or requires the durability and security of the production stop, this system is engineered to meet a variety of cutting needs. Easy to install and use, the Kreg Precision Trak and AMPI Stop system is an excellent choice for achieving accurate and repeatable cuts across various woodworking projects. The Kreg Cabinet Door Mounting Jig is a versatile and user-friendly tool designed for the precise installation of cabinet doors. Compatible with both frameless and face-frame cabinets, it accommodates both left-hand and right-hand doors. The jig features a support arm that facilitates door positioning during hinge installation and allows for easy adjustments to achieve a perfect fit. Its micro-adjustment shims enable fine-tuning for optimal door placement. Whether you're a novice or experienced woodworker, the Kreg Cabinet Door Mounting Jig offers ease of use, durability, and the assurance of even gaps between doors and cabinet frames, making it an invaluable tool for efficient cabinet door installation. Thank you for watching this video on top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.